Good morning, students of class 4. I hope you all are doing great at home. Students, today it's your maths class and I'm your teacher Vandana Chabra is going to teach you math subject and your new chapter name is measurement. It's your ninth chapter, okay? So students, it's very important chapter. We use these measurement in our day-to-day life. And the standard units of measurement are meter to measure length, gram to measure weight, and liter to measure capacity. We know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. These are very important formulas, so just take out your notebook and write carefully. Okay, now it's your recall exercise. Students, as I told you these formulas, so you have to remember one thing, that 1 kilometer is equal to here 1000 meter. So 8 kilometer is equal to 8000 meter. Okay, you can write here like this: 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and then right here 8 kilometer, 8 kilometer is equal to 8 multiplied by 1000. Okay, so you will get answer 8000 meter. Now, this is a B question. In this, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, then 19 kilometer is equal to 19 meter. Okay, and plus 360 meter also you have to count. Okay, for converting into meter, now you have to count both meter. First convert kilometer into meter, then count, then add 360 meter here. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, then 19 kilometer is equal to 19 multiplied by 1000. You will get the answer 19,000. Then plus, it is now meter. Okay, and then you have to plus 360 also, as it is in meter form. Now you will get answer 19,360. And in this, in this is in meter form right here, 19,360 meter. Now 94 kilogram, you have to convert in gram, so write 94,000 gram. Okay, now this is your 9,215, so you have to uh, convert first into kilogram and gram, remaining will be gram, then divide by 1000 because it your lower unit gram, and if you want to convert lower unit into higher unit you have to divide. Okay, so right here 9215 divided by 1000 is 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, so you will get the answer 9 here, and here you will get 215 gram. Okay, now 42 liter means 42,000 milliliter. It's very easy. And now here milliliter, so it's your smaller unit you have to change into higher unit. So just divide this 4520 by 1000 because 1 liter has 1000 milliliter. So you will get 4 liter here and 520 milliliter. It's very easy sums. Okay, now these are your addition sums, add or subtract as required. Okay students, so just take out your notebook. Yes, very good. Now students, add or subtract, these are your questions. Look at the sign and do these sums. very easy. You all have done this in previous class also. And this is your addition sums. You will get the answer 193 kilometer and 50, yes, meter. Here you will get the answer 52 kilogram and 179 gram. In this liter and milliliter form, you will get the answer. After subtracting, you will get answer 8 liter 374 milliliter. Now in this D question, you will get the answer 4 kilogram 925 kilogram. Just look at the sign first and do the sums. Okay, got it? Yes, very good. Now students, it's your important topic, measurement of length. These are the formulas. 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter, 10 centimeter is equal to 1 decimeter, and 10 decimeter is equal to 1 meter. And these are your formulas. So just take out your notebook. It's your related to length, it's related to your weight. Okay, gram and milligram, kilogram, decagram, hectogram. It's totally related to your weight. Okay, got it, students? Okay. Now, students, it's your exercise 9.1. So, convert the following as directed. Okay. So, just read it carefully. 7 kilometer into meter. Okay, students. So, you should know first 7 kilometer means 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. As I told you earlier, so you have to do 7 multiplied by 1000, you will get 7000 meter as your answer. And in the second one, 317 meter into decimeter. Decameter, in this, you have to multiply 10 because 1 meter is equal to, yes, 1 meter is equal to 10 decameter. So 3170. Now in the C1, 10 kilometer, 235 meter into meter. So you have to do multiplication of 1000. 10 multiplied by 1000. Here you will get the answer 10,000. Okay. Now after that you have to plus, you have to do the addition of 235. Then you will get 10,235 meter. Okay. Now in this D1, 14 meter, 73 centimeter into centimeter. So first you should know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. So right here 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and then 14 meter is equal to 1400 centimeter. Okay. So students, after doing the conversion, you have to write the addition. You have to write the value of 73 here, and you will get the answer then 1000. You will get the answer here 1473 centimeter. Okay. Okay. So you will get the answer. Now students, it's your interesting sheet. So just do these remaining sums in your notebook. Okay, students? Yes. Now students, it's your exercise 9.2. You have to do the addition first, then after differences. Okay. So these are the 17 meter, 36 centimeter, 3 meter, 30 centimeter, and 29 meter, 45 centimeter. You have to put in the proper position, that is meter and centimeter. So first find out meter form. 17 meter, so you have to write meter. 3 and 29 meter, they all are meter in meter form. And in centimeter you have to write 30 centimeter, 30 centimeter again, and 45 centimeter again. Then after, what you will do, you will do the addition. Okay, then you will write your answer here. Okay, got it? Yes. So students, your first answer is 50 meter 5 centimeter here. Okay. Now in this B question, 16 meter, you have to write in meter form, meter, section 16 and 9. Then after 36 centimeter and 32 centimeter, then you have to write the answer here. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So write here number 8, and then 3 plus 3 answer is 6. So 68 is your centimeter and 25 is your meter. So write here 25 meter and 68 centimeter. Okay, got it? Now come to this question. This is your C1, 13 kilometer, and you have to write here kilometer and then meter. So write here number kilometer and meter. So 13 kilometer, 45 kilometer and 29 kilometer. So write here number 13, 45, 29. 13, 45 and 29. And after this you have to check meter. 670, 908. So right here 670, 908, and then after 908, 770 meter. And then you have to do the addition. Put the sign here, put the sign of addition here, and then do the addition sums. Tell me the answer, students. What is the answer? Yes, come on, tell me. So your answer is 89 kilometer, 348 meter. Okay, so write your answer C1. And now come to this D1, kilogram and gram. So you have to write the answer. First 27 kilogram. Just look at the digit 27 kilogram and 13 kilogram. Then after look at the digit 150 gram here and 333 gram. So write your answer here, students, and tell me your answer. Match your answer with me. It's your number 3, 8 and 4 here. 483 gram. Now your answer is here 40. Okay, 7 plus 3 is 10. Carry over one digit and you will get 40 answer. 40 is your kilogram. Okay, got it? So student, these are your remaining sums you have to do in your notebook. It's very easy. First, look at the digit in kilogram or liter form. Okay, in kilometer form. Then after, look at the digit and write section wise. Centimeter, meter, here, gram, milliliter. Okay, very good. Now students, it's your find the difference of the following. So you have to do these sums in a proper column of kilometer and meter. Now kilometer and meter, here I have written 90 number in kilometer and 53 number in kilometer. So here you will have to write 0, 0 3 times because there is no meter. So yeah, you have to write 187 meter here. So you will get the answer after subtracting 36 here, 36 kilometer and 813 meter. Now in this B question, 35 meter, 60 centimeter and 13 meter, 23 centimeter. You have to do the subtraction and you will get the answer 22 meter, 37 centimeter. Okay, just form in a meter and centimeter differently. Now in this C1, 28 meter, 37 centimeter and 16 meter, 79 centimeter. So you have to write like this, meter and then centimeter. So then you have to write 28 here as it is in meter form, and then here you have to write 37 centimeter, then 16, then 79. Okay, and put the sign of subtraction here in this number and then do the subtraction. You will get 11 meter 58 centimeter. Okay, students, got it? Yes, just match the answer with me and do these remaining sums in your notebook. It's very important, okay? Now, students, it's your exercise 9.3 related to your word problems. So, just read it very carefully. Mr. Verma and his family traveled 56 km 525 meter on the first day, 45 kilometer 265 meter on the second day, and 38 kilometer 285 meter on the third day. What was the total distance covered? So students, it's your kilometer form and it's your meter form, means section wise you have to write the numbers. Now in this, Mr. Verma and his family traveled 56 kilometer first day. So you have write here 56, 45 in second day and 38 in third day. Now in meter form, first day 525, 265 second day and 285 third day. So now you have to add all three numbers, okay? So your answer is 140 kilometer 75 meter, means what was the total distance? Total distance was, you can write here, total distance was 140, okay, 140 kilometer and 75 meter here, okay, covered by Varma and his family. Now, from a roll of 130 meter long electric wire, a piece of 18 meter 75 centimeter is cut. Find the length of wire left in the roll. In this second question, you have to write in meter form and in centimeter form. So 130 is meter. In centimeter, there is no centimeter, so you have to write 0, double 0. And in this form, a piece of 18 meter and 75 centimeter is cut. So write here 18 meter and 75 centimeter. Then after you have to do the subtraction. Whose find the length of wire left in the roll. So write your answer here, 111 meter 25 centimeter wire is left in the roll. Okay, wire is left in the roll. You have to write this also. Now come to this third question. Avik's weight is 21 kilogram 325 gram and his sister's weight is 17 kilogram 687 gram. Whose weight more and by how much? Okay, so you have to write in the statement 2. Now students, come to this third one question. Okay. Avik's weight is 21 kilogram 325 gram and his sister's weight is 17 kilogram 687 gram. Whose weight more and by how much? It is already known that Avik's weight is 21 kilogram and his sister's weight is 17 kilogram, and gram, the difference between gram 325, you have to check together all together, and 687 is your gram. So Avik's weight is more than his sister. Okay. So right here, Avik's weight is more and by how much? By 3 kilogram, by 3 kilogram and 638 gram. By do the subtraction, you will get the answer. That is your, here I have written for you all, kilogram is 21 and gram is here. Section wise, I have divided this 21 and 17. Now 325 and 687. Then you will get the answer by 3 kilogram 638 gram. Okay. Now come to this fourth question. A painter mixed 7 liter 350 milliliter of paint with 1 liter 10 milliliter of thinner in it. What quantity of paint is obtained now? So you have to do the addition. It is already known. Okay. So right here, your number 7 liter 350 milliliter of paint. So you have to do the addition. So right here, your answer number 4 in liter and in milliliter form. Then after you have to write here 7 and 1. 7 liter 350 milliliter. Now 1 liter and 10 milliliter. Now do the addition. Put the sign of addition here. Now do the addition. It's very easy. Okay, students? Write the answer and you will get the answer here. 8 liter and 360 milliliter. Okay. So what quantity of paint is obtained now? 8 liter 360 milliliter is obtained now. You can write this also. Okay. Now come to this fifth question. Mrs. Khurana, about 2 kilogram of salt, 500 gram butter, 50 gram coffee, 1 kilogram dal, 750 gram tea, and 100 grams zira. What was the total weight of the things she bought? It means it is given in kilogram and gram form. It means in higher unit and smaller unit both. So you have to section wise you have to write the numbers. Then after you have to add all the numbers all together. Okay, got it? So just write your answer section wise. You have to put the values first, then do the addition. Okay. Now students, it's your fifth answer. I have written this kilogram in gram form, 2 kilogram salt. So you have to write 000 in gram, and then after 500 gram butter. So write here 500 gram in gram column. Okay. Remember this point, it's very important. And then after 50 gram coffee. So you have to write 50 gram coffee in gram section. 1 kilogram dal, right here 1 kilogram. 750 gram tea, right, 750 gram tea, and 100 gram jeera. Then you have to put here 0, as there is no kilogram, so you have to put the 0 in kilogram section. Now you have to add all these numbers all together. You will get the answer 4 kilogram 400 gram. So right here 4 kilogram 400 gram was the total weight of the things she bought. Was the things total weight of the things she bought. Okay, it's your answer. It's very easy. So write in your notebook. Right here she bought also. Okay. And students, now this chapter is fully completed and it's very important and very interesting chapter. So do it in your notebook and follow the format and follow the rules, follow the formulas. You have to learn the formulas also. And then after we will continue our class, we will start our new chapter in our next class. Goodbye. Have a nice day.